Realme GT2 Pro mobile was launched on 4th January 2022, and it's time for a quick unboxing and initial review of this phone as it's the record breaker phone in 2022. Let's begin the unboxing. In the outer side of the box, you get the Realme GT2 Pro written over there, and when you open the box, you get some user guides and some ejector tools, and a case which is TPU case for this phone. Then you get a cable which is USB Type C and a charging brick. Now, when I look at this phone, this is having 6.7 inches touchscreen display. Good news is that it's having Android 12 and Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processors. Both are of 2022 versions. And it's powered by the 5000 mAh battery capacity. That's also really good. 8 GB of RAM, and there's a proprietary fast charging technology included in this phone. Now, talking about the cameras of this phone, it's having triple camera setups. First camera is 50 megapixel, second camera is 50 megapixel, and the third camera is 2 megapixels. And it has a single front camera setup for selfies, which is having 32 megapixel sensors. This phone is running the Realme UI 3.0, is based on Android 12 and packs 120 GB of inbuilt storage. The Realme GT2 Pro measures 163.2 by 74.7 by 8.18 millimeters height, width, thickness respectively, and weighs 189 grams. There's a connectivity options of this phone, which is Wi-Fi 802.11, GPS, Bluetooth version 5.1, NFC, USB Type-C. USB Type-C is for the charger, as I said earlier. And sensors on the phone include the accelerometers, in-display fingerprint sensors, gyroscope, ambient light sensors, and proximity sensors. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like the video. And thank you so much for watching. My name is John. This is Tech Insider, and I'll catch you in the next one.